Here we are, High-Trek Cycles, offering the ecoreco electric scooter. This is a brand new scooter that has been released out on the market. This thing can go 20 miles per hour, has a 23-mile distance range per charge. This thing is an all-metal aluminum construction frame. This is very durable, and this thing is actually built for adults to ride. This thing is very compact, and it folds up and is very, very light. Only weighs about 34 pounds. Please stay tuned. We're going to go over the detailed features that this scooter has to offer. Okay, right now we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how to fold the scooter up. It takes maybe 5 seconds to fold. Very, very quick and easy. First thing I do is I just drop the handlebars. I come down here and I release this lever, push down on this. It folds and locks right into place. And there you go. 34 pounds, very, very light. Can throw it in the back trunk. To basically set it back up, I basically will just release the lever here. It folds right back up, lock the bar into place, and that's it. One extra feature that the ecoreco scooter has, it does have an adjustable height on the handlebar. It has 2 different settings. I will basically push this button in. I can raise the bar up for somebody that's taller that likes to have more of a vertical upright ride, and then I can just push this in and hold it back down. By doing so, I just turn the actual lock nut, and when you're unlocking the bar into place, it makes it so that there's no rattling, no squeaking. Everything's locked down very tight. Okay, now we're looking at the deck lid. This deck lid is an aluminum deck lid. The actual battery case is held underneath this deck lid. You just pull off these 8 screws to be able to access the battery. Comes this little rear end metal cover that will actually help prevent a person from standing or accidentally stepping on the rear tire, because you may be able to put a little bit of weight on this. It is very strong, very sturdy. Okay, it is metal. Back here underneath, a little hard to see, but we're looking down at the motor. Now this is the actual internal hub motor on the scooter, kind of similar to our electric bike design. It's got a center axle that runs the electric motor. Now, it is a brushless motor, so you can use the motor or you actually use the scooter like a regular scooter and push scooter. So it actually free spins or free turns. Down here underneath, of course, it shows the M3. This is where the underneath deck lid is, showing where the battery compartment is. And coming up to the front end. The front end here actually has the locking mechanism that you're going to use to be able to fold and unfold the bike. To fold or unfold the bike, you would actually pull this down, releasing the lock of the front fold. And then over here is a little switch that I actually just pull this way back down, and it will release the front end to fold in half. Right here in front, you can see we've got front forks. Be able to help you on the ride. Now we're looking at the front wheel. The wheel here is actually a closed fit wheel so that you can't get anything jammed inside, and it also, I believe, is built to be able to create more sturdiness through the front end. If you just had anything like spoke or any other design, it wouldn't be as strong or sturdy. Tires are very low profile tires. Comes with a little front fender to be able to protect for water or anything shooting back up. And then this, basically the wire is pretty running right up through the center stem all the way up to the actual digital display and shut off switch. So right here I'm actually going to show you the actual connection point between the deck lid and the actual stem. This is actually the folding mechanism that is in place, and basically to unfold the scooter, you will actually pull this bar down, which releases the locking mechanism. And then over here is this pull lever. I just pull the lever back and it will actually just drop the actual front stem down and then lock into place over the deck lid. So obviously you just pull this lever in reverse, push it back up, push this up into place, and that just locks the stem down. This also, I believe, is a tightener. It actually tightens down the tension so that there's no looseness or vibration when you ride. Okay, right here we're looking at the digital display that's on the scooter. It's got 3 different mode settings with a power button. Just hold the green button on and off to turn the bike on and off. And then the modes, it starts off when you turn it on, it has a trip gauge showing 8 miles on this particular setting, and then you hit mode again, it will go to the odometer, and then of course this actually will just set it at the speedometer, telling you how fast you will go. You can see it has a LED battery charge showing the 4 different bars inside the battery. Right now we're looking at, nice grips, and then it has a rear disc brake. That's the cable disc brake that's very, very good. It will bring this thing quickly to a stop. Coming down the actual front end sturdiness aluminum stem, this thing is made very, very well. I mean, literally everything on this thing is metal. Very small, very light, very, very compact. It's got the, a little stand here to be able to hold it up. And then right here, we'll actually come down here real quick. Right here you can see this is actually where it charges. So you just basically pull that, plug in your charger port. Well, there you go, the ecoreco electric scooter. Now, if you're interested in one of these, give us a call here at High Trek Cycles. We can answer any of your questions. If you do purchase one, it will come in one of these nice boxes. Great for a gift. Even the strap itself is biodegradable. This thing has definitely gone green. What a great, great, great product. Give us a call here at the shop, and thank you for watching.